Hi, my name's Katie and I'm a travel agent. I specialize in Disney vacations, but I can help you travel anywhere. And today I'm going to help you travel to Niagara Falls, New York. Specifically, the Sheraton Niagara Falls USA. And we're going to take a look at a in-depth room tour of a one king standard room, as well as some of the common areas in the hotel. So let's take a look. Let's talk about where the hotel is located. The hotel is located about a 10 to 15 minute walk from Niagara Falls itself, as well as from the observation bridge and the Maid of the Mist. It's about a 20-minute walk over to Goat Islands and Cave of the Winds. All of this depending, of course, on how quickly you walk. It's a very walkable space, and there are sidewalks everywhere. If you're going to also visit the Canadian side of Niagara Falls, it's about a 5-minute drive from the hotel. Parking is available in a lot directly behind the hotel. Here's a look at the lobby. And of course, this is a Sheraton resort, so it's owned by Marriott, so you can accumulate those Marriott Bonvoy points. There is a little shop in the lobby that has just sort of essentials, some food products, and they also sell some local wine from the Niagara Falls wineries. Also available in the lobby was scooter rental, both a typical standing scooter and a mobility scooter. Also in the lobby is a concierge desk that can help you with information on local tours and attractions. There's lots of seating in the lobby as well. This hotel offers several different kinds of room types, including family suites that have bunk beds. That accompanied with the distance to all the attractions being nearby, some of the dining options, and the pool. This is a really great option for families. There are several dining options located inside of the hotel. There is a full Starbucks, as well as 2 other restaurants. And we do have a look here at the business center, so there's a printer and 2 computers if you need to do any business while you're visiting. There is also a hydro spa located right next to the Starbucks in the lobby. So peek at that. There is an ATM in the lobby, and you can see the 2 dining options here. We have the Rainforest Cafe, which is, of course, very family friendly. It has that fun rainforest atmosphere, although if you have really tiny kids or anyone with sensitivity to sounds and light, there is a thunderstorm that happens every 15 to 20 minutes where there's, some strobe lighting and loud sounds. So if that's going to bother you, keep that in mind. There's also a bar here, and they do have a little store with some merchandise. I've been to several Rainforest Cafe locations across the country, including at Disney, and this was a little bit on the sadder end of the Rainforest Cafes. Some of the animatronics didn't work. It was a little bit smaller, but if you're traveling with kids or you just need to get something to eat, it is a fine option. This is the chicken salad that my husband had that he really enjoyed. And then I got the plant-based bean burger with guacamole, and it was fine. I was hoping it'd be a little bit better. It was fine, and the bun was, not great. The other dining option is Torrent, and that had a lot of appetizers on the menu and a few burgers and things like that. The menu didn't really speak to me, but it looks cute in there, and they also have a bar. Now here's a look at the walkway that will take you right over to the casino. It is partially indoor and partially outdoor, the walkway. And next to the walkway we also have a wine bar. And there is outdoor seating at all of those dining locations, as well as indoor seating. Now let's take a look at the arcade. There is a rather large arcade at this location, great for kids. There's also a full gym, which had lots of equipment, pretty much everything you would want. And that is located on the main floor right next to the pool as well. Now this pool that they call the Reef Beach Club was actually really fun. It's got some theming. It's a decent sized pool. It is all indoor. There are 2 hot tubs as well as a little aquarium section. So this was a really fun option. And I will note that there is also a club lounge if you have a certain status with Marriott that you can access at this hotel. That pretty much does it for the common areas. Let's look at the room. All right, this is a standard king room, and I am shooting on the macro lens just so that we can get a better view of it. So it's maybe making it look a little bit bigger than it is. So let's start at the very beginning. Here's the door, regular hotel door. Come in, you do have a thermostat that you can control. There's a closet here. Open up, it has a safe. We've got a luggage rack, ironing board. Close that, you have the restroom, one sink. We've got hair dryer in here, standard hair dryer, sink. Oh look, you got some mouthwash, some shaving cream, some toothpaste. Lots of little amenities here. Ooh, a loofah, that's nice. And some lotion and hand towels. The Niagara Falls art. Here's a look at the shower. Here's a look at the shower head. And the basic toiletries there. We'll note that there is a lip to get into the shower. So you've got the one sink, hand soap, tissues, and you've got a lighted mirror. That's nice. So a pretty standard bathroom. I do like that this mirror is lighted. All right, back out of the restroom, full length mirror. That is always nice. Got a light here, chair, a Scott. And here is the room. The one thing I'm noticing off the bat, it is pretty dark in here. There could definitely be some more lights. But we have got a dresser here, two deep drawers, oh, a CD player, clock there, another lamp. It's the Niagara Falls art. Here's the bed. Oh, feels comfy. So look at the bed. Got an identical stand on this side. Oh, we do have USB plugs and ports. That is only on this side. All right. Then we've got some complimentary waters, coffee maker, and what do we got? We've got some Starbucks roast. There's a Starbucks in this hotel, so hence the Starbucks. Got a little microwave. This is a small microwave, but it's a delight to have a microwave in a hotel room. This opens up. We've got the fridge. This is a pretty good sized mini fridge. We've got like that little icy part. Mini fridge, love that. Ooh. Got another chair here. And then here's a look from the other angle. We have a rolling chair here on the desk. Got a drawer, recycling and trash can. Lots of plugs on there if you need to plug in your laptop and whatnot. Another mirror. Another lamp, just a phone. Got a TV. This is an okay sized TV. It's not like huge, but it's not teeny tiny. Got 6 more drawers. Ice bucket. Glasses, these are actually glass, not plastic. That's nice. Then you do have this thermostat that you can control. And we've got this window. So it's just this panel here is actually window. And you've got blackout curtains, these like day shades, and then that's just decorative, that doesn't open. And as far as the view, there's really no rooms in this hotel that offer a view of any kind. You cannot see the falls, but we've got a pretty straight on view here of the casino right next door, which is partnered with this hotel. The casino there. And you can see some other hotels there. And here's one more view of the room. I will note that these rooms are scheduled to get refurbished in 2023. I enjoyed my time at this resort. The location was extremely convenient. There was a lot going on at the hotel, a lot of amenities. It certainly is not a luxury hotel, but there is a lot to do, and the rooms were perfectly nice. They were clean, they were comfortable, and they had things that I needed, like a microwave and a mini fridge. I would most recommend this resort for families. All right, so that is a look at a standard one king bed room at the Sheraton Niagara Falls in Niagara Falls, New York. Again, if you're interested in more information about this hotel, you can see my other videos and other content linked below in the description. And if you would like to visit this hotel or any other hotel, I am a travel agent. I would love to be your travel agent, and you can contact me at the information on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Have a great vacation.